आता आमी उलोवया when it comes to this issue of the vigilance report on PWD recruitment. Speaker sir, PWD recruitment on by an order dated 29/12/2021, the Chief Minister appointed then Principal Secretary Finance and 2 members, Special Secretary Vigilance and Director Vigilance, as a 3-member committee to examine the discrepancies and the fiasco behind the PWD recruitments. Speaker sir, I have the report in my hand, and an incomplete report has been given to us when we have asked for it. Speaker sir, I will read only relevant portions. They say that the exam held for recruitment in PWD was not proper. Use of OMR sheet used for faster evaluation process was manipulated after the examination. Speaker sir, a candidate selected as technical assistant in the examination who scored 95, 96, 97 marks out of 100 have not scored 50 marks when it comes to junior engineer exam. Yeah, Speaker sir, this is part of the report. PWD minister needs to explain why mining technical assistant is required in PWD when you have an independent mining department. Speaker sir, there is a survey in Savarde area, Dhar-Banada, Sange Taluka. 3 candidates are selected from one family who are holding good positions in the ruling government party for technical assistant and junior assistant engineer post. This is a report, Speaker sir, which shows gross favoritism and corruption. This entire result was finalized at 1:30 a.m. on a non-working day. So, कोणा कितलो मोग जालो रातचो सकाळी 1:30 वरांचेर report finalized करपाचो. This is written in the report, Speaker sir. And there is a complaint from one Mr. Atanasio Monserrat, MLA Panjim constituency, from the ruling BJP party of Goa government. And he has stated openly before the media and news channels that Goa PWD minister took rupees 25 to 30 lakhs for each post from selected candidates, and also said he is having all proof of PWD recruitment scam. Our report was that. I'm just relevant portions of the report I'm reading. Speaker sir, आता हे सगळें म्हाका दिसता आमचे बाब काबरालाक खबर आहा. आता इश्यू कितें येता, हें जालां आनी परतें आतां उगडें केलां आनी परतें तशें जावचें न्ही. स्पीकर सर, हे काबराल आमकां डिस्टर्बन्स मिनिस्टर म्हूण आहा. He is there to disturb us from speaking, but still he has got another he's got a background. I believe, Speaker sir, that he is coming from a family background in which his father had filed a case against the Portuguese in the International Court at Hague. Why did he done that? To bring a corrupt system in independent India, to get independence or liberation and have a corrupt system which is the beginning of a rot. His father had aspired, Speaker sir, that Goa should become free, and went to the court, International Court at Hague. कित्या खातीर गेलो तो? कित्याक एक बरो system evolve जावचो म्हणून. When you take money to give somebody a job, you start the corruption from there. So I expect Mr. Nilesh Kabral not to do this, not to take money when it comes to giving jobs. That I expect from him, and I feel he will not take. Although I am from the opposition, it is easy to make accusations because this is a report in my hand and which very clearly indicts this government. But I believe, Speaker sir, तितलें तो करचो ना, तो श्राप घेवचो ना, आनी कितें करत तो, पूण हें करचो ना अशें म्हाका दिसता. स्पीकर सर, आतां फायंडिंग्स आहा. फायंडिंग्स कितें म्हणटात? फायंडिंग्स म्हणटात की discrepancies in the mark obtained by some candidates. Most of the candidates in the selected candidates in a particular post have secured very high marks. Evaluation of answer sheet is not appropriate, as in some candidate, the candidate has failed to fill the seat numbers. Magir Borela, Speaker sir. Pena different aha. Signature appended on the attendance sheet in examination and signatures on OMR sheets are mismatching. Or report Santa, Speaker sir. Reserve vacancies in SC category are not there. Speaker sir, हे सगळें पळयलें जाल्यार even the reservation constituted, mandated under the constitution has not been implemented properly, Speaker sir. आणि ताजे खातीर ह्यो different signatures, reserve category हें करूंक ना म्हणून मायकल डिसोजान एक separate note घाला. जो मायकल डिसोजाचो नोट हांव वाचतां, स्पीकर सर. Upon perusal of the report, prima facie and as apparent on record, there have been irregularities in the conduct of the entire recruitment process. With the beginning of the assessment of vacancies, its reservation, conduct of written or screening list, assessment process, mismatch of candidate signature on answer sheet and attendance record. So there is a criminal angle, and this responsibility has to be fixed. It has to go to the Anti-Corruption Bureau. He says this, Speaker sir. And last report jo aha, X, which Chief Minister agrees. He says that the entire process should be declared null and void and scrapped ab initio. Ab initio म्हणतो आमचो कालूच सांगतलो. Ab initio म्हळ्यार सगळेच काढून उडय. ते ताणें करूंक ना. But still I have hope that he won't repeat this because this is the legacy that you carry. Speaker sir, आणि इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज आणि पॉलिटेक्निक पणजे हांकां आनी परते घेवं नाका म्हणटे तांकां ब्लॅक लिस्ट केल्ले आहा स्पीकर सर. सो हे हांव सगळें सांगतकर हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदतां की डोंट लेट हिस्ट्री रिपीट. स्पीकर सर, आतां हांव एक
Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.